All right, today we have a fun addition, 2 to 3 digits, 2 to 3 numbers addition that does come with regrouping. It's an alien spaceship worksheet. So our goal is to get our alien here, and he's going to move depending on what answer you get, and he's going to try to get to his spaceship. So let's help him get to the spaceship. Just a reminder, you get a copy of this worksheet in the link below, so go ahead, print it out, and then just follow along. Let's try the first box together. We have 33 plus 27 plus 108. We want to add up the ones place first. So we have 3 plus 7, that's 10, plus 8, and that's 18. Remember to carry. So our 18, we'll put the 1 up here. So now we have 3 plus 1 is 4, plus 2 is 6, and 0 is still 6. And then in a hundreds place, we have it's just a 1. So our final answer is 168. Now the instruction says, solve each addition problem. Color all the squares that have a number 6 in them to help the alien get to his spaceship. So for our first box, does our number have a 6 in it? Yes, it does. 168, there is a 6 in it. So that's one of the squares that the alien can go on. So we'll add some colors to that square. You can put any colors you like. Now let's continue and solve on the next one and see what we get. 2,239 plus 4,749. Let's add up our ones place first. 9 plus 9 is 18. Remember to carry your 1 to the tens place. So 4 plus 3 is 7, plus 1 is 8. And we have 7 plus 2 in the hundreds place. That's a 9. And we have 2 plus 4, and that's a 6. 6,988. Does this answer have a 6 in it? Yes, it does. It have a 6 in the 6,000. So we'll color this box. All right, let's go on to the next one. Let's add it up from right to left. 9 plus 2 is 11. Remember to carry your 1. 8 plus 7 is 15, plus 1 is 16. And we'll carry again. 7 plus 6 is 13, plus 1 is 14. 1,461. It has a 6 in it, so we can color this box. Our alien can go there. Alright, let's go on to the next box. 9 plus 3 is 12, plus 8 is 20. Remember to carry your 2. 7 plus 2 is 9, plus 6 is 15. And we'll carry the 1. 5 plus 1 is 6. 7, 8, 9. 950. It doesn't have a number 6, so our alien is not going to go that way. Oh no, it looks like we reached a dead end. So now our alien has to go down. Which direction will he go? Will he go here, 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 or here? We have to solve for each one. And again, anytime you see a 6 in your answers, you're going to color the box. Alright, go ahead and finish the rest and help your alien get to the spaceship. Have fun!